How to access Google AI Studio. In order to access Google AI Studio, you need to go to the official website at aistudio.google.com. Open up your browser, type in aistudio.google.com, click on the first link that comes, and here you need to go ahead and simply start as well. So first thing, it's gonna ask you to verify. So quickly verify it by entering your PIN or the biometric. Once done, you'll then be directed to the next field where you need to mark on the terms and condition and click on the continue button. As you've done this, you have actually you can also install the app if you want to. So I'm just going to simply install it. Now here you just want to go ahead and explore the dashboard. You can access features like the chat, playground for testing prompt, or the API key section to generate key and key for the external integrations. So likewise, if you go and scroll down, you could find get started with Gemini as well as what's new. You could go with the or chat with models or build AI apps and all that stuff. You could go with this, and this is how you will be able to access Google AI Studio. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.